Hi everyone, my name is Usher Pereira and my channel is Tea with Usher. When I started e-commerce, I failed many times and I learned a trick or two to be successful in e-commerce. I'll show you how to be successful in this video. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. You must have heard about the word niche. Dogs are a broad niche. It includes all the dogs in the world. If you try to sell dog food, it is a difficult journey. Like brands like Pedigree, Mars Pet Care, Nestle Purina are going to crush your business. I even looked up dog food for dogs with skin problems and dogs with arthritis, and these are sub-niches. Even these niches are filled with products. If you can cater dog food to a specific country, if this country has no big competitors like in the Western world, listen to the story how these guys came up with a new product. In 2014, when the future founders of dog product sellers Active Hound were talking to other pet owners at their local parks, they came across one comment over and over. The dog toys they were buying wouldn't hold up. They decided to do something about it and they launched Active Hound to sell more durable toys and they wouldn't fall apart under the stress of everyday life. They were so successful that they expanded into other dog products too. As what Active Hound dog product creators did, you should speak to your potential customers to get their feedback because they are the ones with the problems. E-commerce is huge and getting bigger every year. According to Statista, in 2014, the global e-commerce market was $1.3 trillion with a T. In 2023, it's projected to be whopping $6.5 trillion with a T dollars. First time to get in was when it was nascent. The second best time is now. I will guide you again by the end of this video in selecting product ideas in sub-niches for you to develop your e-commerce. I hope you will stay to the end. The products you sell will ultimately affect your marketing and the profit margins. When it comes to selling, your logistics and legal restrictions do come into play. As an example, let's assume you sell alcohol where you have to deal with different types of taxes, or another example is that you have to ship large items across the country, maybe couches or mattresses, or when importing from overseas for the first few times or the first few months. Selecting a sub-niche is very important where you don't have many competitors and the niche has enough money in it. If you like the content so far, do me a favor, smash that like button for me. Advantages of niche marketing. An e-commerce niche is a distinct segment within any given market and often an area that is overlooked by other businesses. Examples of niches include handmade items, pet food or pet owners, trendy t-shirts, eco-friendly products, beauty products, gadgets or other trending products. Sub-niches. The e-commerce field is saturated, but people are still finding profitable sub-niches where they can turn a profit. Everyone wants to find a maximum audience and would love to be the next Apple, Google or the Microsoft. But you are often better off staking your claim in your niche. The smallest market you can adequately serve. This goes against everything you learned in capitalism school. But in fact, it's the simplest way. There is this saying that you are better off being a big fish in a small pond than being a small fish in a big pond. Address a need. As I said above, ask the pet owners, wine drinkers, chocolate eaters about what their new taste preferences are. There are harnesses to normal dogs, but blind dogs are a sub-niche. Harnesses for blind dogs. And if your business creates harnesses for blind dogs, it is a good niche to make money. Now it's popular product according to Amazon search. We'll do a search on Amazon and see. but the person who created the first product would have made good money. Is there a need that's not being filled? If you work in a particular industry or you have a passion in a particular hobby, that's a great place to start. You'll know better than anyone what you're looking for. Or maybe it's like Active Hound, where you are listening to what people want, like the actual users want. Either way, feeling a need is one of the best ways to choose a product. Turn a profit. One of the most important things about your product is the question of cold hard cash. Can you make enough money selling it to keep the lights on? Especially when you're starting out. Selling something that has a higher profit margin is a good way to make money. You don't go under immediately. When Air Bed and Breakfast was an idea, they checked the idea with many people if this would be a better business model, but all said it would be a complete failure and replied, why would someone open their door for their home for someone else or a stranger? When Airbnb was launched, it became an instant success because people were looking to make extra buck, and it was short-term rental and sub-niche of accommodation people haven't tried. Now it is the biggest hotel chain in the world. Same with Uber, being the biggest taxi company in the world. After you've been up and running a little while, you can trade more on volume and take a lower profit. When you are first getting started, every dollar counts. Make sure you have a product that can support the business. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the content so far, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button and click the bell notification so you'll get notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't jump into fads, look for a trend. A fad dies out fast, but a trend stays for long. Think of the fidget spinners, which had a massive success very quickly and then died very fast. You don't want to do that, especially if you're dealing with physical inventory. Trends are important, fads aren't. The only way to capitalize on fads is to catch it at the start so you can get off when the wave before dies. If you like to find out more trends, I'm going to go to Google Trends and do a search for products. Then you can see the trend over the year. Choosing the right product is critical for any e-commerce business. And if you want to find success, you are going to have to put effort in. With these tips, you will be well prepared to find your perfect product. Sourcing products. There are many ways to source products. You can source products locally, finding wholesalers and factories through online forums and websites. If it is leather goods, it can be sourced from Italy for quality finished products or from India for strong, cheap products. If it is electronics, it can be sourced from either US or it can be sourced from China with Alibaba.com. I'll show you how to source value-added niche products from AliExpress, which is for buying smaller quantities, AliExpress, and Alibaba is for larger quantities. Have you seen RFID wallets, which was a trend and still trending? Let us see if we can find a similar product at a cost-effective price. Okay, now I'm on Amazon.com and I've searched for RFID wallets. Now you can see the prices and I will show you how to source these wallets, which is a sub-niche of wallets to sell it on Amazon, eBay or on your own website. This wallet is $29.95 and it ships through Prime. Next one is $79 and the Bull Guard is $29.99. This is an aluminum one. If you watch YouTube videos, you would have seen some creators promoting these wallets. Now we shall open ebay.com, copy and paste the search text from Amazon to eBay. Now you can see many wallets on ebay.com, but the price is much cheaper than Amazon. But we have to check the products which are shipped from United States, because some of these cheap ones are shipped from either China or somewhere else. If you're selling from your website, you can drop ship from eBay, but you have to make sure it is shipped from USA. Amazon doesn't allow drop shipping from eBay, no, the other way around. Do read the terms before you sell. We saw something similar to this, and this one we definitely did. Here is this one we saw, and make sure you order this product before you sell it, and always try to get the best selling and reviews product from Amazon and on eBay to compare the products if there's any difference. Otherwise, searching for wholesalers in the USA, or if you're brave enough to import from AliExpress or any other website. If you are planning to import from AliExpress, go into aliexpress.com and copy paste the same search term on aliexpress.com. There are many products in AliExpress for you to choose from. Before you order, check the product review and read through the reviews. What buyers are telling, if there's a fault, anything like that. Further to this, check if the store you are planning to buy has been operating at least for the last 2 to 3 years. Then you can assure your products will come when you make the payment. If you want to win the market, order the most reviewed product, as I said before, from Amazon and on eBay, and you get the product from AliExpress and compare it if there's any difference. Compare the products to see any difference. If you find differences, get the seller to change their product to similar to the US best-selling product. Hi, thank you for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned a lot in niche marketing. But I'm going to give one little tip, because since you stayed till the end. Okay, so as I said, just copy the product. Don't copy exactly the same product. What you should do is just value add a little bit more than the bestseller, so you can be there. And one more thing, don't expect Amazon or eBay to sell your product. Of course, they're going to give a hand once you pick it up. So make sure you spread out the word in social media. Just spread the word. Get people to come into your product. Thanks again. I hope you will subscribe to this channel, and I will create another video to show you the extra value you can create. I'm going to give you a tip in the next video. So stay subscribed, click the bell notification where you'll get notified. Bye.